Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Toolux. In this video, I'm very excited to announce a new feature called One Signal. So basically, it's an extra plugin for the one-click trader. If you guys don't know what is one-click trader, you can trade in various index options like Nifty, Banknifty, Sensex, etc. And you can also connect to various brokers like Zerodha, Finvicia. From there, if you just press the up arrow or down arrow, it will take your trades directly to your broker. So you can also set something like stop loss target, trailing, manual trail, etc. So there are like tons of features. I will share the complete video in the description. So make sure you watch that before you continue. Now once you know about the one-click trader, you know that you can choose any of the strike price, and if you press the play button, it will show you the tick by tick price. Currently the price is 89.9, and if the price is increasing, it will be displayed in the tick by tick line chart over here. And now only by looking at the line chart you cannot do any scalping. So we have like existing plugin like market depth. You can see the bids and offers. You can see the IV by pressing the I, and again if I press the I, it will be hidden. So with this all this existing plugin, you are not able to scalp. So I am introducing the one signal. So to activate it, just press on the one signal button over here. So if it is turning green, and if you see the reds and green, it means it's activated. Now to take a trade, it is simple. If it is green is turning into red, you sell, or if it is red is turning into green, you buy. And for extra confirmation, you have to see the index signal as well. So right now we are in Nifty. So this is Nifty call option, this is Nifty put option, this is Nifty index signal. So if the Nifty index signal is red color, it means bearish, it means the put option will go up. So this is the basics. And important another criteria is if the market is flat, the score will be in red color or orange color. So you should definitely not do scalping. As a scalper, only if the market is going very fastly, you will be profitable. So to detect the speed and various other parameter, I have introduced this score feature. So once the score is in the green color, and if you are getting like for example red to green, and also your index is bearish, you can buy the put option by pressing the down arrow. So right now the Nifty is not suitable for scalping. Let's change to Sensex because today it's expiry. And here we are having like a good score. It means the market is going very fastly in the Sensex as it is expiry. Now let us take some of the trades, and I will show you the live demo how you can do scalping as well. So now you see here like we have like 10 out of 10 score, and we got the green color here, and the price went from 28 to 59. So after you take a trade, if the signal is getting weakened, you can book the profit. You can see the signal is very good, and after that it is reducing. So this is the time you can book the profit. Okay, now let's see here. Here the score is good. We are from if you see the index, we had a bearish only. So if you're taking the put option, price went from 158 to 160. So I will buy the put option again. So make sure the index is bearish before you buying the put option. And also notice the size of this. If the size is reducing, exit the positions. Like here you can see, now I am buying the call option because the index is turning the green color, and the call option is also green color. Now watch the size of this. If the size is reducing continuously, you exit the position. But if you see the size of the index, it's not reducing much, so you can hold on to it. So yeah, I am closing it because here the size is reducing. Now again I am buying the call option. Okay, the size has reduced, so exit it. Also watch the score continuously. If it is turning like 6 or 5, don't take trades. If it is 9 or 10, it is very good. Okay, I am buying the call option because here you can see the green color is increasing in the index, and the call option is also it's increasing. So here we got signal at 160. The price is now at 164. As long as the index is going up, the call option also will go up. Here you can see from year to year it is bullish only. If you want to do long term, you just see the index and trade. For example, buy at 157. Right now price is at 167. Here we got sell signal in the put option because the index is going up. So you can close 1 or 2 position, and the size is reducing. Exit this as well. So yeah, this is it guys. After enabling the one signal, make sure the index is trending and it's having very big signal like this. If it is having very small signal like this in the index, don't take a trade. If it is like having big signal, like you see the height of this green color, the size of the green color is huge, so that time you can take trades. If it is like very small like this, don't take a trade. That is one important point. And after that, the score should be above 7 or 8. If it is like 6 or 5, you can see the market will be flat. So that's it guys. Before getting started, you do paper trading for 1 or 2 days and then take into the real trades. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this, and if there is any more update, I will be releasing more videos in my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.